Alright guys, you're welcome on Hidden Truth. First, Chama Wontumi has rejected Fadda Dickson's apology. Now, it is interesting. It's answer. And now, Wontumi echo good evening Ghana, a programmer Paul Adomache a hosti on Metro TV. Now, Wontumi call no say or say a say or no Unyante se dogubi no abe apology Fadda Dickson diabano Unyam huye and Unyante is answer asem no court Unyanya na dwen se ujamu. Yes, ujamu. Ye nyina yenim se nra nwumre on UTV news, evening news and kasaso. UTV the apology by in the apology no Fadda Dickson and an nsasha ase just letter and tintin ni TTM nyina mu ne se ensem fiasha snega eba be kan mu program no so on United Showbiz and ano memene da no Wontumi inform boni nche omo so omo ma fiasha snega sa akwanya no ma ne begu ono chama Wontumi hu fin. Now, later did we know, say Ansana, UTV did this apology ban. Na chama Wontumi di kan court dada. Yes, wako court court also Chief Fadda Dickson, Nana Mama Brown, A+, any Mr. Logic content. Yes, court UTV content. It's answer As3m between Wontumi any officials nigga court dada. More the basic television station so and a mobile mu na mu chirichiri mu. Na say As3m yan kam ye no. Mumu doso no too much and into court at your contempt. No, I did. And into no, and I am so Emma Fadda Dickson, the apology match. I'm a Wontumi say, and you be As3m no, yen trasso, Wontumi. As3m now the aqua court, the UTV aqua court, and if the court, na chese, yen messato matano, a woofy, na a pomano yam fancy baby a cherry. Now so Wontumi say on Tiasia. Yes, Wontumi say on Yante say Fadda Dickson a panacha crowd, and into own tea cry. Now, yentry video.
Why did you tell Delay that we find money to get woman? Why did you say that? You said that to Delay. We find money. In the interview, you said there are three things why we get money: to pay for expenses, which is correct, and for livelihood, and so for a man we find money to get woman. So woman to when he gets money, what is it for?
So which one is wrong? Which one is good?
No, I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just
which
asking
one is
for
good
more
and
explanation.
which one is good?
More explanation. How do you find money to get woman?
Paul.
Yes, sir.
Why do we have money? Why do you look for money?
For life, to pay for things, to buy things. Yes.
And then?
And then to give to the church.
And then?
To give to people who don't have.
And then?
Then you spend the rest.
In what?
Break it down. The things you like.
Like?
Dress, shelter, clothing, car.
Why do you want to forget about your wife?
Oh, so when you said woman, you mean your wife?
You see, Paul, you see, he says this, God created everything, and his eyes, he said everything is okay.
Yes.
Then later on, he realized he have to create a woman for man.
Yes.
So he laid down a man and take one of his descent and then created a woman for a man.
So without a woman, a man cannot live, yeah? He can't.
When we are talking about money, we have something called necessity. You know, it's among of things that we look for money.
I see.
So when you have money, we look for money for daily expenses, for daily bread. You know, of course, and for women.
Have you seen the UTV apology to you?
Paul, I don't want to talk about it because the thing is in court.
Yeah,
and
But they have apologized to you.
You are the student of law, isn't it?
Yeah.
Eh?
You can't talk about it.
So don't talk
But at
about
least you've seen the apology. Otherwise, we'll show it to you again.
You see, you can show, but it doesn't mean I can see. You know.
Okay. So you are waiting for the court.
If you are showing, it means you are showing. You know. So for me,
but they published to the whole world your name and Chibo Siako that Omo Paucho and all that.
Paul, I'm saying the things that is in court.
You should leave it in court.
I don't talk about it. It's a judicial. So why can you wait?